Alright, so here we are for another unboxing on Real Home Recording, and this is coming to us courtesy of SE Electronics, all the way from Texas through the power of UPS. So without further ado, let's get started. And I'll try not to break the box because I do have to return this. So let's see, this is the packing slip, and oh, it's a snake. It's packing material snake. Okay, look at that. Okay, we got the sE2200. Ooh. Ooh. And let's see. So that's cool. And then here's the side. I guess I should blur that out, right? I don't know if you could see that. Maybe I should zoom in. Hold on. Now I gotta bring it down and focus. There we go. So that's cool. Oh, I have somebody sending me a message. So I'm gonna get through this quick. So that's cool. Oops, can't really see it. Well, you can see it, you can't read it. So let me zoom in. There we go. And tilt. Why am I giving myself directions? Wait, is it upside down? Yes, it is. Ah, sorry guys. I wasn't even looking. I was looking through the camera, not the not real life. So there we go. And then actually, would it be easier if I just do this? That's a nice looking microphone on the inside. Does it come with a shock mount? Looks like it does. Cool. Alright, well that's very nice actually. And then finally we have the handheld baby, the V7X, which I'll focus on so you can see it a little bit better. And there's a shadow from the box there. And then I'll show you the back of it, which actually there's nothing on the back but that. And then oh, this is where there's some information. Nice. And this is thanks to you guys for subscribing and liking and watching videos, because without you all, companies would not be sending me stuff to review and demo. So look for this video probably in about 2 weeks. I need to find a musician to sing into these mics, and I'm going to test them out in different circumstances, so look for that, especially the handheld mic. The handheld mic needs to be tested pretty thoroughly. But yeah, this is cool stuff. I'm excited to check this out and let you guys know what I think about it and give you some audio samples. So looking forward to that. This has been Adam for RealHomeRecording.com. Well, I have to say I feel kind of dumb. That's all I can say, because I did an unboxing, but I did not unbox. I didn't fully unbox, I should say. So let me do this one first, the big guy. No, I'll do the little guy first. Let me do the little guy first. Okay, so this is the V7X, obviously, and it is a super cardioid dynamic microphone. Intended for instruments, but you know, it can be used on whatever. And let's not cut ourselves. I don't think I have to be like super careful with this, but well, I'll be careful with the knife. But once this is out, this is out. So I guess It opens from the bottom? No? Oh, here we go. I was about to say, that would be an odd place to put it. Okay, is it still unshut? Nope. Okay, well let me put my knife, well, I'll put my knife over here. So, there you go. A sticker, that's always a nice touch. And then a user manual. Oh, this is a nice, is this all English? No, it's part Spanish. English lasts for two pages. So okay, it's not an in-depth manual. I was hoping it would be an in-depth manual, but it's still good. And then telling you to register for a warranty. Alright, and now, nice, a bag. Nice little bag for the mic. Zipper pouch, as they call it. And it's already closed. So I'm going to open it. See if there's anything inside, like $1,000. Nope. Darn it. Here's the clip for the microphone. Obviously for the microphone. And it does have an adapter in it for the smaller stands or whatever. So that's a pretty sturdy mic clip. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It is plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. It's like a heavier plastic. And then we got our little silica gel, or silica gel. Do not eat. Well, I'm going to eat it like a Tide Pod. And then here we go. Here's the main attraction. I can already tell you it feels quality. Yeah, this definitely feels like it's not cheap. And the logo looks nice. I like the little red, like it's like foam on the inside. Here, I'll even pull it off right now. So, this is the new one. I think they just came out with this in the fall. If it'll come out. Yeah, here we go. So, it's actually red foam on the inside. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, looks like you can. So it's red foam on the inside, which gives it a little bit of style. Red and black's actually my favorite color combination. It's the color of my bass guitar, so I'm a little bit biased there. And yes, I don't want to put it down all the way, but there's the inside, there's the front, and back on very gently. I'm not going to open up the rest of it. I don't know if I even could. Let me see if there's a screw or not. Yeah, I technically could, but I mean, why would I, right? So, there you go. sE Electronics V7X, and I didn't put it in the camera view. There you go. The V7X. Let's just make it easy by doing this. It's easier if I just do it like I would do without a camera being on. Okay, so this is a big box. Okay, so we got an SE sticker, another one, and then this is, I guess another SE sticker, like a, I don't know, are you gonna put that in your car or something? I guess it's just another, it's a different sticker, so it's a white outline and then it's invisible on the SE part. So that's kind of cool. The manual, so it's probably just going to be another, in a very small manual for English, yep. So it's basically the same as the other one except the frequency response chart and the specs are different. Oh, it also tells you a little bit about, so the text is very small. But at least they had the manual. So, but this is what I really care about. This is what I really care about. So foam, and then we got, ooh, there's the pop filter. There's the pop filter. Nice. Reminds, it's like a table tennis feeling type of thing. So if you run out of a paddle, if you have a table tennis thing in your lobby of your studio, then that may be able to substitute. And then we had the shock mount. Now I was curious if this was plastic or metal. So I'm taking it off camera. Okay. So it's got the rubber band for the, is that an extra one? Looks like an extra, yeah, they include an extra rubber band, I think, which is nice. And it is plastic, but it's not cheap. Again, you know, plastic does not mean cheap, it just means plastic, and you know, you can have nicer looking plastic. It's a very sturdy feel for it. That's my initial impression. And I mean, I'll just put it this way. That NTK shock mount, that was like $60 extra, was plastic. So, but the stand connector is metal, and it does have an adapter in it, so that's nice. And let's see. It is still on camera. Okay, good. Looks like the light's going out. So I'm going to try to hurry this up. So, rubber band back in. I'll do this later. Here's the microphone. Yes. Let's see if there's anything underneath. Oh wow, this is a heavy feeling microphone. See, I'm telling you, I was not expecting much, to be honest. But this is a heavy son of a gun. Like, seriously. This is a heavy microphone. That's a good sign. To me, heavy, if it's heavy, there's more, you know, there's more inside of it. Now, of course, it could just be because it's made out of metal, but, here, I'm going to open this up. And there it is. So most of the weight is in the bottom, and I'm not going to open this up, but this is the brand new sE2200. So it's not the sE2200A or the Mark II. This is the newest version of this microphone, and I think the additional things are, it has extra attenuation. So it's got 3 different choices, and then we also have different low cut, and you know, they may have improved a little thing here and there, but you know, the bottom line is this is the newest iteration. There goes the light. This is the newest iteration of the sE2200 family of large diaphragm condenser microphones, and like I said, this does not feel cheap. So I'm looking forward to testing this out and putting it through its paces. Definitely.